In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable X to use less network data on X.com, formerly Twitter, so you can save data while browsing, scrolling, and watching content on the platform. This is a really useful setting if you're on a limited data plan, using a slower connection, or just want X to load a little more efficiently on mobile or desktop. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X on X.com and look at the left-hand navigation bar. If you don't see the option you need right away, click More at the bottom of the left menu. This opens up the full list of account and app settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account display and accessibility options, so once you're in here, you're in the right place. Next, click Accessibility, Display and Languages. This section controls a lot of the experience settings for your account, including display preferences and data-related options. After that, click Data Usage. This is the menu you need if you want to reduce how much network data X uses. Inside Data Usage, you'll see the Data Saver option. All you need to do now is toggle on Data Saver. Once it's enabled, X will use less network data, which can help reduce loading on your connection and make the app more efficient when you're browsing. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Data Saver in X to use less network data. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video for more simple X and Twitter tips.